Hello friends, so today we are going to discuss the third problem from the latest Codeforces round 694, problem named Strange Birthday Party. So now in this problem, Pitya organized a strange birthday party in which he invited n friends and assigned an integer ki to the ith of them. So now there are n friends and everyone got an integer k, and now Pitya would like to give a present to each of them. So in nearby shop there are m unique presents available. So now the cost of each present is CJ dollars. So and the main important thing in this problem is the cost of those presents are sorted, as you can see here, and it is not allowed to buy a single present more than once. So this is also one more point, that you are not allowed to buy a present more than once. So there are m presents in the shop, m unique presents, and you cannot buy anything like any product more than once, and also all the products are sorted out. So these are the first things you have to observe from the question. And there are n friends in the party. Now for the ith friend, Pitya can do, because as you can see in this problem, k is between 1 and m, which means that the numbers assigned to each friend is between 1 and m, which means that every student or every person in the party is given the unique number, which is the total number of unique presents in the whole shop. So now if the ith friend got a number ki, obviously if it is greater than j, you can buy him any present less than the number he got, or you can give him equal to ck dollars, which actually mean here is, let's assume, I'll show you with the code, the example. If these are the numbers assigned to every person in the party, and these are the prices of the the elements or the gifts in the shop. So now if this is equal to 2, this person has two options. Pitya has two options. She can either give that person any gift between the first two the presents, or she can give her value equal to the value of the second gift. I'll also explain in simple terms. What it actually means is, this is the value of every gift. Okay, so let's assume that there are 4 gifts in the shop. These are the 4 gifts. The values of these gifts are sorted, so this is the smallest to the largest. Now for every person has some number written on it, a number assigned. As you can see, this is 3rd, this is 4th, this is 5th, and this is between the number of gift presents. So now if this is 4, then Pitya will have to give this person, for every person the number has given to them, Pitya has two options, whether she can give that person any gift between these all 4 products, because this is 4. So now you can give that person anything less than or equal to ki. So any gift less than 4 can be given to that person, which is not taken, because you can only buy one gift of one time. So if you buy that gift, you will have to pay $12 or $20, or else you can pay that person equal to the 4th index, which is 4 for $20. So you have two options. You can either buy any element, any gift less than or equal to that gift, or that gift only. So you can assume that only buy that gift, or any gift less than or equal to that, and you have to minimize the total price or total cost Pitya have to spend in the party. So that's the whole question. As you can see in this, as you can understand from this only, for the first person, what the person do, $5 to the first friend. So because this is 2, the Pitya has two options. He can either give $5 to the first friend, or give a gift of $5 of this. So he can he will gift a gift of $3 or $5, or can give $5 only. So he will give $5. So no gift is taken. For the third, he has these 3 options. So now in this, he will present or give the gift of $12. For this 4, he will give, as you can see, he can gift anything among this. So he will give a gift of $5. For this 3, he can give this, but because this price of $12 is given, so he cannot give this. So he will give a gift of this $5, $3, because $5 gift is also given, $12 gift is also given. So he will give the $3 gift, because this is 3. And for 2, because he cannot give he has only option to give among these two, and both of them are like given, so he has only one option to give this $5 to the last friend, and that's the total. You have to add it out, and the answer is 30. I hope you understand the question now. Now what you can easily think here is, for every person, if you somehow maintain a pointer at this point, because these are already sorted out, okay, for every person what you can do here is like this is 2, maybe this is like this second person wants 2. I have two options. I can give him either this second price, or you can put a pointer here like the first gift, because the first gift is not given, and because I want to minimize the price, I will always give the gift in the like in the increasing order. I have two options. I can give the first gift, or I can give the value equal to the second price, like dollar, like $5. So obviously I will give the third price because that's a smaller, because we are doing it greedily. So we can either give the third like $3 gift, or you can give $5. So it's better to give the $3, and that's fine. Now for 3, you have two options, whether you can give a $12 or you can gift, because now $3 gift is given, so you have you can give a $5 gift, or you can give $12. So obviously $5 gift is smaller, so you will give $5. Now from 4, you have two options. I can either give $12 gift, because now my pointer is moving, as you can see my pointer is as 3 then 5, because I'm giving gifts, I'm not giving petty price to anything. So now I can either give $20 to that friend, or $12 gift. So I will obviously give $12 gift. So now I'll go to 3. Now I can give, now my pointer come to 20. Now I can either give that person $20 gift or $12, and obviously I will give $12. And thus now there's a contradiction. So now, because if the above number are somehow sorted, it's better, because now we go back. So now the thing is, we have to first sort the above number out. The above number, if they are sorted, what it's beneficial is, if like this number is smaller, if this number is smaller, we actually this, see, if some person wants a gift which is like 2, okay, and if the second gift is already fulfilled, as you can see, if this number 2 is lead in the list, okay, then what will happen here is, he has two options, whether he can get a gift which is very large, because my pointer is moving now. There are two things, like for every person there are two options, like this is the whole array, my pointer is moving like this, okay. So now let's do my pointer at this point, and my value is 2. I have two options, whether I can give the dollar equal to the second point, or I can give the gift equal to this pointer value. Now this pointer has reached so far that I have always have the choice to give the $12, because this pointer has reached so far. So now it's beneficial to put the numbers which are larger in the start, and thus it's better, because if the larger number are in the start, my pointer is here only, I have two options. I can either give the person of this pointer value, or this fifth value which is here. So it's always beneficial to give the person with a large value the smaller gifts, and the person with a smaller value like 2 or 4, these are small indexes. So small indexes, because the whole gifts is sorted, you can give them small indexes value, small indexes dollar, because small indexes dollars are smaller. I hope you get my point. My point is, because the whole gift array is sorted out, the small indexing is dollar are smaller than the large indexing. And now, because if you put the smaller numbers like in the end, what will happen, that when you reach at the end while iterating out, the smaller indexing will eventually give you a smaller sum, and the larger elements will have two options. You can either take the last element at which the pointer is, or because it is 5, you can either take the fifth element or the pointer value which is in the initial phase. So if it is in the initial phase, you can take the element out, and thus the overall it is a greedy approach, but it will somehow summarize out how you can take the elements. I'll show you with the code, and it will become more easy. So take the input of k and m and sort out the kth part, because in the largest to small element, which means that I want the first elements, larger elements which have larger indexes in the start, and then going down smaller, so decreasing order. Sort it out, then total is the total amount of money I have to spend, and there's a pointer which is j, which is at the start. So for every element from 0 till n, I have two options. If j is inbound, j, because j is moving on a number of gifts. Okay, so if my j is inbound, so I have two options. I can either buy a gift at this jth index, or I can take or like give the person that element at the jth index, or give that person dollar equal to this element which is given to me. So I have two options. If j is index, if I have two options, whether I can buy that person the jth gift, or give that person the gift, like the dollars equal to this amount, like the kth position, because the indexing is from 1, so I will put k minus 1, and this indexing, like the 0th indexing person, like what is beneficial. If this is smaller, because I want the smaller one, if the pointer value is smaller, you will give the pointer value gift and increase your gift value, because now I've given the gift. But now if the gift is bigger and the amount of the dollar which we'll give at the kth index is smaller, then we'll only give the kth indexing like total dollar, and my j pointer will not decrease. But if my pointer somehow increases and it go out of bound, then I have only one option to give that person equal to dollars, because my gift is exhausted, and thus I will only have the option to give the amount of dollars which is at the kth index, because I have two options. Now I can either give that person the kth index of dollars or the gift, because my gifts are exhausted, so I can only give the dollars, and that's like we are giving the dollars. And in the end, we have to just output the total amount of money we have spent. I hope you get the intuition and the code for this problem. If you still have doubts, you can mention down. Ask the next one. Keep coding. Bye.